Hello, my billionaire family. Welcome back. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Just look at this gele. This gele is so simple. Hi. Even your baby did not want me to tie the gele, but I say na lie. See your baby. Tell your baby not to stress me, oh. Tell baby Joshua not to stress me, oh. So here is gele I'll be using, guys. 3 line of gele. It's so easy, and I'll be folding it a niche like that, bringing it from the back, so it has to be equal, like 50-50 ratio. Make it equal, then we crossing it at that front like that. I'm still adjusting it now. See your baby will not want me to tie gele. Now lie, I go tie am. Before I born yourself, I don't dey tire. So now I'm just like crossing it like so, like that. Yes, like that. This gele is so simple. Sharp. You don't tie your teeth, they go church. Even though if you want to go to event, sharp. You don't tie and they go your event. So the gele is so easy. So now I'm adjusting it. I just want to create like small pleats there, but it's an option now. If you don't want to put any pleats, just tie it at that back and leave it. So still adjusting it. Adjust it the way you want. So now I'll be twisting it at that back. See your baby crying. This boy don't want me to sit down and tie gele. See, look at him crying. So now I want to use office pin. In the video, guys, I'm just in hurry to quickly tie it so that I'll stand up and go and breastfeed your baby, because he was crying seriously. Seriously, in that video. You don't want me to back him. I should be carrying him in my hand every time. And this our work. My baby, I don't want it to master him. I should be carrying him every time, so I have to be backing him. So that is it. That is the finish of the gele. Your baby will not allow me to adjust very well, so just manage the gele like that. That is it, guys. See him crying. See, seriously crying. Just manage the gele like that. But you can still create split if you want at that side like that. Yes, you can still create split. So that is it about the gele. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, share my video with your loved ones. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in the next one. Please stay safe. God bless you all. Bye.